Okay, here's the results of our ammo tests with the Tikka T1x. I'll give you an image here of our setup. Alright, what we did was we started with the Wolf Match Extra. And I've already kind of measured these out, so let me show you how I measured out. I'm not quite sure the best way to do this. And if I had to do it over again, I would do it differently. But I measured from what I figured the center of the two biggest circles were. As an example, kind of went in here. And this is actually two shots here. And so kind of estimated what I thought the center was, like so. Just so you can know about, for reference, how I measured it. And I got 0.58 inches. So yeah, adjust that however you see fit. Next time I was to do it, I'll go outside to outside, and that is because for the targets I'm shooting for the ARA is the inside circle, so this is inside the thick line, is 0.75 inches, and it would be kind of nice to know that. In fact, I can go to the outside of the line, as long as I don't break that of this thick line, I still get my 100 points, and that's actually 0.85 inches. So we can think about that as we go through these targets to see if they all would have given me 100 points. And it looks like at first glance, except for a couple of flyers, as long as I had it zeroed out well, it looks like I probably I could have got all hundreds. Anyway, let's go with this. So let's talk about the Wolf. Okay, so you're going to notice something actually right off the bat. The different packing. This is plastic. This is cardboard box. Kind of a cheaper box, kind of a fancier box. But more importantly, if you look there, there's that E. Okay, basically meaning Eley made these rounds. These guys with the target. Yeah, I assume that's the target looking thing. This was these were made by Lapua. I think Lapua stopped making these around 3 or 4 years ago. In fact, if you ask Lapua, it seems like if you called Lapua right now, it seems like none of them were even aware of these. So I don't know if their turnover's big or just I talked to you. Anyway, it doesn't matter. So keep this in mind, and they do have lubricate on here. I don't know what kind, but this one actually is not too bad. But after you go through, you kind of feel this little film on your fingers. I think this is the same way. Not too much, but once you get into 100 rounds, you're definitely feeling it on your fingers. So the Wolf Match Extra. Here's what we shot. This this was a bummer. Shooting it flew down here. I may even show you a little video clip of that happening. So that was a disappointment. But as you can see, except for this fluke here, we're 0.75, so we're shooting within that big circle. Okay, let's move on to the Wolf Match Target. I've had great luck with this, shooting it with my Kimber 82G, and we had good results here. We had this guy right here. We had a flyer. Otherwise, the groups would have been extremely tight, and probably would have been all full points on any match. And then we've got this guy here, which was good group. And if I'd spent more time, zeroing it out, it would have been a little bit nicer. Looks like to me as I go through these, I might have been shooting a teeny bit high. And this guy here was a great group, and we had a flyer. It's fun. When I first started shooting this, I mean, a flyer was a flyer or something like this. Now this is kind of a flyer and can kind of ruin a perfect score. So with that said, let's move on to the CCI standard velocity. I can't remember if I feel like this thing's lubricated with anything. It's got it. Well, it's kind of waxy, I think maybe. rather than more like a liquid filling lube on this. This one feels more actually kind of sticky, so that's why I say waxy. Anyway, that's the CCI round, and actually a round that I like the best, and I think it's actually the cheapest of all the rounds I have, and in my Tikka shoots the best so far. So that's always a pleasant surprise when you get a good value rifle and great results with a pretty inexpensive round. Anyway, here's the results here. Best group size, but if he averages out, the wolf match target would probably have won out. I try to shoot this stuff sparingly. The match target, because I don't have any more, and they're hard to come by. If anyone cares or knows where I can get these things, there's the lot number. And like I said, I've had great luck with it. I do still think some's out there, believe it or not. Anyway, so CCI did well. Okay, I made a mistake earlier. I said this round came from this target, but that's not correct. Actually, this round, I rewatched the video, was the last round of this group. So I put in the numbers here. This was 1.04 inches, and this ended up being 0.48 inches. So this group, though, was this was our first shot, and then these three, I can't remember if it was 1, 2, then 3, but basically that's a 2-shot group, and that guy by itself. So the federal target, this is supposed to be their premium stuff. It's a gold medal, federal premium, both of these. One's target, one's match. I assume match is supposed to be the better of the two. But actually, I guess, yeah, this seems to be, except for this flyer, this seems to be the better group for the Tikka. And of course, these are bigger groups. We've got the target round. This guy right here feels pretty dry, maybe the waxy type lube. And of course the match. Okay, this is funny. This is definitely a liquid type lubricant. Weird, huh? So there's that. So the federal match, these were groups. This was a pretty good group, except for this guy. Of course, that looks like to me 2 holes, 2 rounds in that hole. It's hard to tell, or maybe that one. Of course, by the front, this looks like the bigger. We'll say this. Well, actually, not so much. I was thinking we had a lot of more bullseyes, but I have about the same amount. Bullseye, bullseye. CCI got 2 bullseyes. And then 1, 2. Federal target got 2 bullseyes, and this guy got a bullseye. That was my first shot. I'm like, yeah, this is gonna be great. Oh, it didn't last long, obviously. All right, we're gonna go over scoring our ARA factory class scorecard. I did this right after doing the ammo test with the Wolf and the Federal and the CCI. I ended up shooting this with the CCI standard velocity. And let me show you, in case you're not familiar with it, how this is actually scored. So, of course, you can see these scores, I'm sure, right here, and then you've got the circles. You got the center dot, and then this next thicker dot. Anything inside here and not breaking out of that first circle, as you can see, is going to get you 100 points. You can cut, you can break, you can, how do I say this? You can hit the line, but as long as you don't break the border, you're going to get 100 points. As soon as you break it, you're down to 50 points. Then next to this next thin line, if you break that thin line, you're at 25 points. All the way till the next 6th line, you're at 10 points. And then if you're outside the target and you don't break this thick line going in, you're at 0 points. I think I got that right. So let's go through real quick and score this card. This was, well, we know already, shot with the Tikka. And yeah, let's score this out. So 100, 50, 100, 100, 50, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100. Gotta love it when you hit that little dot. Twice in a row, 3 times in a row. 100, 100. Okay, I broke that skinny line, so unfortunately 25. And let's see here, 100, 100, 100, 50, 50. Okay, wind was blowing this way. I had 2 in a row that went this way, so I actually refocused my aiming to right about right here. And of course, then I shot here, which would give us a 100, 100. I did not change my tolerance, just used Kentucky windage. 100, 100, 100, 100. Sounds pretty nice with those hundreds, but unfortunately we had enough missed targets. Well, anything not perfect's not good, perfect. So anyway, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 500. I do the hundreds first, it's easier. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. 1, 2, 3, 75. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 50, 4, 5, 0. What is this? 9, 12, 75. Oh, let's do whole numbers first, make life easier. 14, 20, 17, 75. And then 1775 is 21, then 2275, I think. 2250. I'm sure there's a smarter way to do this, so let's do it that way. 1, 5, 9, 13, 17, 20, 125. Looks like I'm at 2125. 2125. I felt like I did better, but it looks like that's what it is. Unless someone wants to tell me my math is wrong, which it could be. Yeah, so that was a fun shoot. And, oh, well, we'll talk about this a little bit later. But I guess I can briefly talk about it now. These are the stickers that I use to do my testing. Actually, here are my plates, but we're going to go through that again, although we've already gone through that, so never mind.